Hi guys, it's Phil here. So, what am I showing you today? This amazing Vauxhall Adam. But, let me just stand back again and just have a look at this colour combination. I think this is one of the best colour combinations you can ever have. I just genuinely do. Don't care if you buy it or do buy it. For me personally, I really get this colour. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to take you around, inside, outside, upside down. We'll take you everywhere. A no holds barred video. All right? So, down the line of the car. It just pops. I've just got a black one. You see that black one there? But just this one, it just looks the business. Anyway, stop waffling. Taking in the wheels. Now, as you can see, it's a 2004 on a 64 plate. It's 2 owners from new. Done 65,000 miles. Taking in that. The spec in this is fabulous. It really is. Taking in the roof. It'll be serviced, it'll be MOT'd. It'll be ready to go. Cheap on insurance as well, Group 3 insurance. Ideal, I mean ideal first car. Absolutely ideal. Now, as I said, it's a category N because I've replaced this front grille here, so that grille is brand new. What it's got this crack here. So I'm in two minds what to do with it, but in the comments let me know, tell me what I should do. All right, subscribe to the channel, guys, give me some help anyway. All right, give me some comments. Anyway, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you inside the car, but once again, look at that. Anyway, take you inside the car and I'll see you in a little while. Hi, it's Phil again. I'm just standing here looking at what great colour combination that is. I know I keep harping on about it, but what a lovely colour. It really stands out. Anyway, enough of me waffling. Here we go. So, we have the engine bay. And don't forget, you can stop, you can start, zoom in, zoom out. You can do everything that you need to do to make sure everything is correct. Okay, so we'll move on now to driver's side door card. Always telling, and again, let me step back again, just look at the colour combination. So it's just, it is highly unusual. I've sold lots and lots of these and they never come in this colour combination. Electric windows, electric door mirrors. You have 2 keys. How's that? Multifunction steering wheel. Let me show you that as well. You've got digital display there. 5-speed gearbox. The AUX. You've got everything you need. It's got maps throughout. All the seats are all in lovely condition. Taking in the back, sorry, excuse the noise. You've got the Isofix as well. But one of the best bits about this is just look at that roof, checkerboard roof. How cool is that? I mean, that is really cool. They must have gone to town with the spec on this car. When the person bought it new, they really must have gone to town. But all benefit for us. Look at that. How cool is that? Very rare. So, taking in the boot. Again, we have a lovely size boot, mats throughout. Oh, sorry about this. Mats throughout, spare number plate with the original supplier of the car. The front number plate was broke, as I said. Rear parcel shelf, get in, honestly God. Right, passenger side door card, electric windows as you can see, taking in the dashboard. You've got this lovely fleck on it as well. Colour combination, it's just super. Again, taking in the seats, absolutely beautiful. Again, the rear seats, Isofix, as I've said, it's lovely. So there you really have it. I mean, it's just a fabulous colour combination. It's done 65,000 miles. It's 2 owners from new. The last owner owned it January, I think the 27th, 22. So it's been in long ownership. It's only 2 owners. So it really stands up to scrutiny, okay? Yes, we know it's a category N, but at the end of the day, it was the front grille that was replaced, which I've already showed you. So, it are full service, 12 months MOT, and it'll be ready for you to go. So if you need any further information on the car, give us a call. My number is 07775 038 270. Please will you give us a thumbs up on the video with YouTube, okay? Give us some comments if you've got any, and subscribe. It really helps me. But anyway, hope to hear from you soon. Hope you enjoyed the video.